rice has been cultivated for many decades in Fiji, serving as a major source of food for its population. However, the country's rice industry has faced challenges of decline in both land and production, as well as high reliance on import. Since 2015, China has carried out 3 phases of agricultural aid projects to help enhance rice production in Fiji and assisted in achieving the goal of rice self-sufficiency.
我走了很多地方，拜访了很多农户，也咨询了很多斐济的官员、水稻官员，也实地考察了他们的水稻种植情况。通过调查呢，我发现了一些问题，就是他们的种植方式比较粗放，以撒播为主，管理呢技术跟不上，所以呢产量比较低。
During the first 2 phases, China's agricultural team rejuvenated 5 local rice varieties, introduced 16 rice varieties, provided machinery for mechanized rice cultivation, and trained over 2,500 local farmers in high-yield cultivation techniques. For the Phase 3 agricultural aid project, China will introduce 26 rice varieties, rejuvenate 10 local rice varieties, and cultivate model farmers.
现在农业部要求我们建立这个3位一体的这个就是示范村，就是借鉴我们中国的模式，然后就是3位一体，就是一个是产前种子培育，然后这个产中的这个精细化管理，然后一个全程的一个机械化服务，帮助他们实现脱贫。
China's knowledge and experience in rice production, that is something that Fiji can learn from. We can say that the performance of the Chinese team in Fiji has been really great. We working together with the rice team from China. I think Fiji's self-sufficiency can be realized.